Are you ready to tell a story now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Hold on 1 second. Now first, we got to get you ready. 1, 2, 3. Tell a story.
You get a line, I get a pole, honey. You get a line, I get a pole, baby. Oh, you get a line, I get a pole, and we'll go fishing at the crawdad hole, honey, baby mine. Well, wake up, Sue, you slept too late, honey. Wake up, Sue, you slept too late, baby. Oh, wake up, Sue, you slept too late. The crawdad man done passed your gate, honey, baby mine. Yonder come a man with a sack on his back, honey. Hey, yonder come a fellow with a sack on his back, baby. Oh, yonder come a man with a sack on his back, and he's got all the crawdads he can pack, honey, baby mine. That fella fall down and he bust his sack, honey. That man fall down and he bust his sack, baby. Oh, what you gonna do when the pond go dry? Sit on the bank and watch the crawdads die, honey, baby mine.
As you ramble through life, brother, whatever be your goal, keep your eye upon the donut and not upon the hole. And I have that over my desk.
Over now.
Well, what would you do with a brain if you had one?
But if I had a brain, I could.
I would while away the hours, conferring
with the flowers, consult with the rain.
and the thoughts I'd be thinking I
You could be another Lincoln if you only had a brain.
I would not be just enough in my head all full of
Stuffing.
my heart all full of pain. And perhaps I'd deserve you and be even worthy of you if I only had a...
Oh, sorry. Make some music, Daddy.
Oh, I don't think you want that, Annabelle.
Yeah, make some music then.
Make some music.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, like what song?
Ramble
Tell a story.
through life, brother.
Tell a story. Tell a story.
Many years ago in Egyptian times, there ruled an evil king named Mari. Before he died, he said to Seymour, "I'll be back."
Everybody get out of the car.
What's going on? What's happening? Mar-E, some guy named Mar-E, killed my sister, choked my cousin, and burned up the car that's burning in flames out in the driveway. Are you telling me some ghost is trying to kill us all?
Love, oh, careless love. Love, oh, careless love. Love, oh, careless love. You can see what love has done for me. It's gone and broke this heart of mine.